I-SAA iyayiyeka imizila yayo eya eThekwini, eBhayi naseMOnti ukuphela kwalenyanga. Umzila ongazukuchaphazeleka ngulowo uya eKapa kuphela.
Lesinqumo esinqala sithathwe ngabahlengi abaqokwa uhulumeni ukuthi bazaphe ukuhlenga lenkampani obishini kulo kwezezimali. Abahlengi uLes Mathewson noSiviwe Dongwana banqume nokuqeda ukuhambela kwezindiza ze-SAA emazweni ase-Afrika kuyi-Angola, i-Uganda ne-Ivory Coast. Phezu kwalokho, i-SAA ngeke isaqhubeka nokuhambela eHong Kong, eGuangzhou eChina, eMunich kwelaseJalimane kanye naseSão Paulo eBrazil. Abahlanguli baqinisekisile ukuthi kunabasebenzi abazodilizwa kodwa namanje abakasidaluli isibalo. Izinyunyana zibuka sezikwamukele ukuthi ayikho indlela yokugwema ukulahleka kwemisebenzi kule nkampani.
The alternative was a straight-up liquidation, and liquidation would be all 11,000 workers losing their jobs, and it could have catastrophic implications for the South African fiscus. So we opted for the emergency landing rather than the fiery crash which SAA was heading for. But unfortunately, it might be that there are some retrenchments. We don't think it's necessary. We are willing to engage, but we're going to do it within the sort of the framework of the labour law as it is.
Izingxoxo phakathi kwabahlanguli nezinyunyana ziyaqhubeka. Mbongeni Mutsho, SABC, eGoli.